motom afrai ama chesa troni nina no enso akwaso kama wonim say Zavi abasobo any dencham panfani nyina bi ehwa ne mu say wo nso adam manager na stay na Zavi akwaso aye adwuma ama club ye fa no basa ne nyina ne say wo mtidi ye baso ba ye hu kra de wo ma shoot no maku 15 wo mo amekro mo debut enso adama aye first team no na chesa enkwada na omusi akan enso adama boboku ye fa no say basa ne nyina no emu maku 15 enso anya chance popo enso adama basa boboku no aba domo kan nyina no ana se wan hwe ene enom abetoa so ama akodan na ye fa no say mikai fire enso atumi atoa so bobi enso adama basa na chesa na mikai fire enya chance enso abobo adama basa na chesa no ana be yakoda wotoso maku 16th ewa bro no enso abo adama Barcelona wo mo so first team na ye de update nyina demo na onim se match eba so nei no ajeba ko no say Basa fone ya we esanse wa brene wo mo ekwakobo Cardiff nyame ya duma wo mo bo aye Paris Saint-Germain awo mo week eno aye midweek awie pa na chese next weekend you know aye El Clasico ana El Baso eti Basa ni ehwem aye chese Paris Saint-Germain wo mo match ni mo wo mo san wani ba ko ehwe El Clasico na Jemi nya no se na ekai guntuwan aye yellow card away from suspension Andreas Christensen and some aye same ana player ye fere se Romeo amom ye sanyina no wa ena manager be mo abo na obedi yellow card I trust say automatically game against Real Madrid and next weekend you know anya de say obetimi abra enu ntina enra make sure say wa bra ko ba so player ye fere se Gundogan ebe sign a contract and some ama boss no wa bo matches ni nyina bi enti after 44 matches afei ana manager be say player ye fere Gundogan arrest enu ti bibia Sunday one sham game eba so nyade so player no and some betimi abo e bro no aye update and also eba game eba so woko aye Kadisha wo mo defender bi enra na ono some asema oka etrone pa ye fa ne Fally na Fally asema me kan nyina no say wo so ono was starting a footballing career and mentem you nupa and I watch JC on normally ebia your ball area obon say be a player be akon yon konchena wo ma swap o shirt obu okra na wo je ne yon kudi ne mom wono engine ni pan de a chese Fally asma American onu nie na Fally and was say was starting so obo a players me nupa and I watch JC ne mom nyame ya duma and then obo game about our bra Cardiff and a bounce e boni nyina no wo je aya Paul Kubasi and some atade na dinta wakasa ne say was Kubasi a surprise ne papa na boy no baller out born e was so pa and into oshede na adwen say boy no anya match ne bi boy awala league ne no say anya hype adia na Barcelona against Bobokua ye fan say Napoli our Champions League ne mo e ma bi atwam on adwen say wo behye that na TV achi na wa hwe modon ba akwara ne bebo na wo hwe kwan Paul Kubasi e fa so a hand striker ye fan Victor Osimhen na no ye Paul Kubasi akwa just what day aya Mbappe no ane just boy saka and so far our Champions League no no was one park down wanyini aburi eja ono so ekita ne say akwara na dwemu do and international mo wie match na wo betia Paul Kubasi ababam akwada no request say akwara na fa ne JC a wo do bobo ene and so fanche ono Fally e wa brand ye baby as say wo mo so ade akwada no level no eno so akọ onum se me no kasai ade ba akọ no se manager ye fa no se Zavi wo ma improvement aba na ye ka improvement a anya se bia ball no keke se bia Barca ball mu wini ana se bia Barca entire lose na mom e ba no se bia defensively na che se Barca kire no manager no wo miem amanan say no wo mo consider goals rough e bia beka so mo kobo PSG and some akọ consider e bia 2 goals na bibi na mom when you compare bia the previous weeks na nka Barca consider more na so manager na ya manio nyina no and some akọ kama enwa wo be koba say the pre-match conference Baso ana central ba ko bi say coach ye fan Zavi say opani na anya bia dem poche an waye again na koso amena ye kasa modombo no nyina no and some akọ kama onum say coach ye fan Zavi and so akasa enwa and some our pre-match intia some manager no and some attitude
sobretot en els moviments, en l'entendiment del joc. Ell té qualitats individuals innates que ja les porta de Brasil, inclús de naixement, però ens estem...
Well, yeah, say asem I come out say a branch fan say I Xavi Hernandez Cruz are two canning no ye benya ete ama ye je for enano pay life I was shown us our brand run a pre-match conference something no ye de update and ate ba no and some born defenders na baswa and also I kakre fi omaso ye and so ate ba won something no ye de ama ye je for enano pay and some I was shown us na and what you know mamen front to when our brand German say can say enwa wa be come say Lazio every omu game no and a basso red fan say Luis Alberto when the kotu just one no one Lazio for ahwie na on Lazio for ahwie ni na so one wa catch champion for say enya kasa tintin bia nie ana enya kasa pi na ni nyina ne say one no do ba so kan say onhia €1 and free ayebobo kwa fan say Lazio mpan for ho omu terminating the contract no e wa bra ono entoa so biem and so enfama Lazio e wa bra no and some kakra fi akodan na ye fan say ayade say Luis Alberto and so as we are the power brown something no ya de ema ye che for ene anopai and some I was show no so na ma me front to when our brother me nyan say and so ayade say wa bra ko ba so wura ye fan say Alberto I can aso ne shark me hwe say e bia fe wo bona e bia che so wura ye fan say Zavi asem ababam dia yentie menum che say manager fan say Zavi wa bra na all born defense about some improvement abani nyina no ya say fe e be fam ye timi ate manager no and so enka
para ayudar al equipo, como todo el mundo.
Anderson also na dinti akobas enra e bounce abrancha ban say Felipe Anderson wo so edi agunu so nyina no and say yes Anderson so wakama o mate say ono so wie season we ya wono so akọ ontimi ntoa so anya adwuma ne biem and so amfama boboku a ye fan say Lazio on the moment and so ababa sempo wo ye player na beka ama wo supporters ate say bia won toa so biem no de menya nyina no say anu Lazio fo no and so gunu so awa broman fana ni agrokra na de Choma war and the home year paros almost sante say yes ya kwara na kwa sign contract no and so Adama Lazio e wa bra koba Sunday wo mo sem akọ sign contract ama Lazio no and no and nam so ama kwatana ye fan say Luis Alberto awosina kan and some Adama Boboku a ye fan say Lazio enra wo mo so dina temesa say yes afa any afa fonka and just say be abonte so for MFanko it is a wo free Lazio na ya te say be obeko jufi adia na ne ose kwambia so no wo so atibi ensom atemana eno aye update aba medical ya betu data ama makacho so wure fa no sa aye Tiago Mota mom ana chese nyame ya doma wono so abakwa akoya adwuma as ayade se manager ensom ade amajufe se ba se bia bibia asesade a na chese Mota ebakwa ko plesi wure fa no sa mas alegri sansam no nyina no mabaka mabre na jaminya no no pani se also Juventus Boboku no woman some Sharum Sanka Quatana ye fan say Adron Rabio about extending the contract and Amajufi yes manager fan say Thiago Montana I likely say your bebano one on Sakwana de Oyobi or Yajon Bonobo Namum on Shada and kind of plans Ansa and Wabran common in the Casan Kabia Adron Rabio and share now one sign new contract Amatuno not Brandon Swine once I and I see Commode Maniswa Nema Memfero Nick Rabio amunyina dom ho agem no ama jameme second na no pen se sana be kodia na ne eches owura no anya de sem amana to aso biem enso ade ama Juventus afei make us a manager ye fan Stefano Pioli one so pressure aba so na jinta make us a pressure aba manager ye fan Stefano Pioli enso ane se adwuma no wo me jane kwan amono so akọ AC Milan coach no wo me gidi e ba sa adwuma oban e wo fom na jameme second se management members no yesem amobuo fupa na yesi nipa odikan ache so no champion aye campaigner I was say omuja owura ye fan say no ache so Pioli enso akwan ni nyina no aye owura fan say Zlatan Ibrahimovic aye Zlatan ana ache so no odikan say yempamo aye AC Milan coach ye fan say Stefano Pioli esan say ogiri ye pass modombona manager fan say Pioli enso bono aye ade say e wo fom tinai say omampamo manager na nkwa ɛno nso abaha dwetire me nsa ka no nyinaa no ɛno sɛ ɔno nso yɛ agya sɛ owura no wɔn nso abɛgya no kora ma na akɔ sansa ɛno a yɛsɛ na no kora ma akyɛ ba so wɔ abro a wɔn tena fɛlu so 1-0 ama Roma no adan ɛdeɛ na si ama Nigeria ni akodan na yɛfa no Samia Chukwueze wɔde ne ba mu na aba bɛka bɛ sɛ 10 minutes am yɛapɔw na ɔmo so hwɛ match no bi a wɔbɛ kɔ ba sɛ Samia Chukwueze ɛbae no na kyɛ sɛ bae no mɔdɔmbɔm ɛwɔ soro ama AC Milan at the pressure to Roma for so it is someone himself here obey changes ama kyɛ sɛ ne mfa so pa ɛbɛba obey changes ɛma mfa so ɛbɛba so a adentina ɔno Stefano Pioli no wɔn make changes ne ntɛm ne mom wɔn a yɛba bɛwie game ansa na ɔde akɔdan a yɛfa no sɛ Chukwueze ɛnso aba ne nyinaa kan bi ɛna ama ɔmo gyiri pass ɛma saa game ɛba so na no yɛ ano wɔn nso akyerɛ fɛlu so nti na ma no kasa no mpanifo sɛ adwuma no ɛnya de so obetumi ayɛ nti wokɔ mu ɛno Friday report amensa kan sɛ ɛno anopa ɛnso Milanello na kyɛ sɛ Milanello no ɛnom ɛnso ayɛ ni a yɛfa no sɛ baabi AC Milan wɔn nso ayɛ ɔmo training no sɛ mete sɛ yɛsɛ no anopa nom wɔn mu ade a yɛka no sɛ series of ayɛ video analysis ɛnso ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ abro analysis ɛkɔ so ɛno ne nyinaa no ɛno ayɛ video analysis ɛwɔ abro sɛ wɔn ɛmɔnita nneɛma yie ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn hwɛ nneɛma yie sɛdeɛ bɛyɛ a wɔn return leg game ɛwɔ sɛ baso no nyinaa no against ɛyɛ Roma nneɛma nso ɛbɛtumi akɔ kam ɛde ama team no a ɛno ayɛ update ɛba asansɛm no nyinaa no yɛde ɛma yɛtɛfo ɛna no pɛi ɛnso ɛwɔ show no so na report amensa kan sɛ Napoli fo so ɔmo nim ɔmo yɛ aware sɛ yɛ dan a akwadan na ɛfa no sɛ ayɛ Victor Osimhen ɛbɛkɔ na Victor Osimhen ɛkɔ a Osimhen agyina hɔ ɛnso ɛde goals na so Osimhen agyina hɔ ɛnso ɛde goals ɛde a na nea bibia nso kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ deɛ ɔsɛ ɔpɔ bi asa nipa no ɛbɛhyɛ goals ɛnso ɛde ahyɛm ɛde ama wo ɛne nti ama abɔnten a yɛfa no sɛ Jonathan David a wɔsi n'akan ɛnso ɛde ma Lee a wɔ France no yɛsɛ nkɔmɔ edi kan aba so Napoli for the full the right replacement Adam Akotana your fan is Victor Osimhen and some Lee I'm a striker your fan is Jonathan David Achesene one more word himself boy no and some about me aba na send your Osimhen Akotia and you Christ Amuma Akotana your fan is creature Kwaraskilia and some Oko and Tidian Abe Amakodawe Ebeste Esanse your clubs are what one more shot himself Kodana fan is Kwaraskilia one more some about me afano I'm not report Aminyan and Nano pay and some Achasa Kwaraskilia no Yasena Polimpan for say woman Abasomu Peja and Sika Semu woman Abasomu Tona Katrium our Bramotona Katriuma Abama creature Kwaraskilia Ababe the highest paid player and some Bobokua Yafanisa Napoli about the highest paid player as our Napolia not just will be anywhere we bet me this car at the Fed Fakodawe or be an obet me this car and some Atada Sakodan I nay one more random self can be a society and also Ababam at Jamana and I update about who's something now yet Emma yet for an anno pay and some our shows on them some no Kasai Rick D and a Bamuntin Wama Jelly Gnimu and so Adama Liverpool no so much Jamukeke Liverpool Motumbo and some Adadi now Bamuntin for early kickoff and I simultaneously about one terrier I Bamunchi and Cologne Ebabo and Sana Borussia Mönchengladbach and Dortmund and so by the same time Nyamian Mochina and I just Liverpool in Timono one game against Ayavata Bremen El Paso Wabel Kobas and Wakocha your first Zabi Alonso or there I am the Premier Conference El Paso when we say many janum Amubusan say watching Mosha automatically maje aye league na ade asemu na so na anya bia no momba jubilate se no so na so bia dem sell title ya sawoji a was say kwaya ni gisem na Zabi Alonso say womonom ajaba kwasi players na ni so and say watchina womo G League no woman G League no omo target and say womo be ko unbeaten essence wa bram no kasai matches from about this season nyina no wo bia ni ho a wo de Liverpool no omo tiko ensom ade aka form enti say sɛdeɛ Leverkusen team no wɔn ntumi nhyɛ obiara this season adia na ne ɛkyɛ sɛ ne kwan sɛ wogye league ne wie a wokɔ slake anaasɛ wogye league ne wie a wokuku ɔmɔdempom wɔn gye league ne wɔabɔ mo yɛ awɔ sɛ bi ane a yɛka no sɛ stadium invasion anaasɛ bi a fan invasion ɛbɛba so sɛ bi a supporters no wɔn bɛte ɛde afiri wɔn seat ɛnso ate ɛde asi pitch no so wɔn yɛ awɔ sɛ yɛde asa jubilation ɛne saa celebration ne nyinaa bɛba so no wɔsɛ boys no ɛhwɛ no mu sɛ wɔn nso ɛbɛwura ne unbeaten a kyɛ sɛ no ɛyɛ asɛm a coach a yɛfa no sɛ ɛyɛ Zabi Alonso ɛnso ɛde to dwa ɛwɔ abra saa nneɛma no nyinaa no ɛno ɛyɛ update ɛba ho nsɛm no yɛde ɛma yɛkyɛfo ɛna no pɛi ɛnso ɛwɔ show no so na ma memfa nto w'anim ɛwɔ abra ɛna no pɛi no report a menya no sɛ wokɔ ɛyɛ Arsenal a ɛnora wɔn full training session ɛnso ɛba so wɔabɛkɔba sɛ Arsenal wɔn full training session ɛba so ɛma manager yɛfa no Arteta ɛwɔ pre-match conference ɛnso ɛbɛka sɛ kyɛ sɛ team no de obiara training yɛ apart from Gabriel Magalhaes anaasɛ mpokwa no nko a ɛno na kyɛ sɛ ɛno a training ɛba so ɛnso ɛwɔ reality sober wɔntumi anyɛ training no ɛyɛ Gabriel Magalhaes ɛnko so na antrainie na deɛ manager no ka no sɛ akɔdan no a yɛfa no Julian Timber a ɔbaeɛ ɔbɛprae no ɛno ɔno nso atumi training yɛ na mmom ɔwura yɛfa no sɛ Fabregas ɛkasae na Fabregas sɛ kakra Arsenal ɛda so guro na bɔɔ no na Arsenal ɛbɔ ne mmerɛ bi atwam no ɛnɛ ɛmɔdɔmɔ no pagya na ɛpagya wɔso wokae a Arsenal ɛkɔ akɔbɔ against ayɛ Man City na wɔbia no bisa ka bi Arsenal kɔ akɔlusi na so wɔ sɛdeɛ manager yɛfa no Arteta si approach game no ɛne sɛdeɛ coach no ɛkɔ saa match no mu a na ɛkyerɛ sɛ Arsenal wɔn nso asua adeɛ paa na dɔbɛ so wɔka no nyinaa no sɛ nnɛ biribiara kyerɛ sɛ wode ɔpa hɔ no Fabregas wɔn kyini paa wode ɔpa kɔ Europe na kɔbisa other top managers ne sɛ ɛnɛ team bɛyi ɛna so fa ne mmɔnomɔ aso wɔ ne this season ɛnso ɛwɔ Europe a wɔso bɛnya top managers ɛwɔ abra saa coaches no wɔn abɛka kyerɛ wo sɛ ɛyɛ Arsenal bɔbɔkuo no wɔn mmɔdemmɔ apagya this season paa ɛyɛ Arsenal team no wɔn na so fa wɔn mmɔdemmɔ ɛnso apagya yie a kyerɛ sɛ wɔn gyini yie pa sɛ ne ɛboa ɛma nneɛma nso atumi kɔ kama ɛnso ɛde ma kyerɛ sɛ team no wɔ abra no ɛnso ɛyɛ update ɛba sansɛm no nyinaa no yɛde ɛmi yɛkyɛ fa no Arsenal manager fa no sɛ Arteta ɛnura ɛsɛntwɛ ne baako bisa no sɛ na Gabriel Magalhaes handball asɛm no o wɔn ho asɛm ka na wabɛ kɔba sɛ wɔn bisa on handball situation no owurɛ fa no sɛ Arteta ɛkasa yɛntie hwɛ sɛ ebi adesta bɛtɔm deɛ a wode yɛntie ne ɛho sɛdeɛ bɛsi.
The referees, I think they use, and what the law says as well, to use common sense and whether you take an advantage or not from that situation, which there isn't any advantage, and then I think that's fini. Just to clarify, I think it's worth doing it and to understand that just in case of
Wanti Yaguso Air to Tony Massa Bibia and some other Kokama our excepts in Nano. I was saying Yanya Edma Nano pay life. I was shown so Chesano Ayaka Frimo at the Ebesans and Chomuno, Memi Citrodo Amatua, our manager Nankasa, Nenuma Sam and also to our bro say your referees at Chesa FIFA at Chesa. What the Maran Abaya Juma Nasa Otaman Aya Juma. I was so used to a dear. Your fellows at J. Our Brajin Nano. Your common sense, our Brawum, and some our FIFA Swaya, and also stating it clearly. So, our Brian Wamra, your day, Germany, and a Drubabia, we are reference also is what dinner. Your fans are common sense, just I know. I ask my manager, fans are Tata, and some other two our exception in Nano, Yabasuna Faya, the one seminal, and some Amaya Jeff Finano pay, and some our show no so. Now, report to me, and Abaning and Ansa Branchana, your fans are Jorginho, Metis so on one Casa fan ho, and some Adia Quakama Juventus. Yadam so Arsenal now Kokobisa Jorginho Asia. One more Abakacho so Jorginho no, or you'll be a Omobesu stay as a Modeba or Bono was Ropa. Now, the Mesa can say, yes, Jorginho Nankasa, and then a whole Aquakama Bobokua. Your fan said Juventus, Omonia Juva, Omobesa, Omodo Binos Ako. I'm an agent and an Ashas Apaquia. Wobet to me Afas Amakadano, as I come back to Bobokua. Your fan Sam Chesa Juve, our Bradesta. time no I back to Italy for the first time and so our children no one and so bet me come our banana peno and no I update about who some nyina no ye de Emma ye tefo and some our show no so now report to me second and some other banana peno and so I manager fanasa Pep Guardiola and some aswaya when him say manager fanasa Pep on Erling Haaland wabe come as a manager fanasa Pep and so I didn't come on mubusan sa na anya bia Erling Haaland no you be away at Danasa, and I said you open us some sana. Now, and you be Erling Haaland, none of Yamokopo, I Real Madrid. I'm a Nyama Uncle and Farman, no, and you be a bunny situation at the same. Manager Fanasa Pep on Haaland. Or say, Yamatu just say, woman cast how many edge of Brino Hopa, and a Brino some Motumba El Conca and Fao, and a Sabian and Sakadano on Shako, and some Anasania Maninano, woman is so essence and you go Shankua, and a Yabia woman and so the Atoso. Now, no contribution. I just want them to find some Man City, no, and some our sort of coach. You find a Pep Ekasai.
He's making an impact at the moment.
A lot. And supposed to be better as a team. It's not about one single player make situations. I never judge for that.
But are you happy with the way that he's making an impact at the moment?
A lot. He helped us to create more spaces in the areas, and his contribution have been exceptional since the day one he arrived last season. The success last season is about the team, and we play better. Erling will be better, and who will play better will help us to be better as a team. It's not about one single player make situations. I never judge for that.
But are you happy with the way that he's making an impact at the moment?
A lot.
Free manager na so ade ba enano pay life our show no so our brasan sem ni nyina no ye de em ye chef enano pay na mom ye bisa manager no say wa bra mo kobo Real Madrid game na ankoye said ye was say no ensom asikwa obianim say Rudiger ayire akodai ema bon wanya bia mo ni nyina no so oda bi wo mo ye game no call dressing room wo say Erling Haaland aye happy amodom ba Erling Haaland enso boy ni nyina no we happy esansa wa bra mo call dressing room o hwe nanim a na nanim aye serious na momo Erling Haaland enkoa wo draw defenders best mienu afrimu enom and create spaces eno and create ayade sa aye kwan Man City and so afa wo hwentimu mo ne se bia Haaland ebe hye goal ana se bia Haaland ebe nya boni bia boni nyina no wo twe two defenders afrimu ama kwan dem Man City and the yard job so mo de manager ye fan is a Pep on Haaland
quite similar last season. So we scored 4 goals, 3 goals in the last 3 games. 11 goals in 3 games. And he helped us scoring some of them and creating a lot of spaces for the other ones to score a goal. So this is a question. I saw the face and what he said Erling after the game in the locker room. He was extremely happy. So it was a good result. And we'll see what happens next Wednesday. So now target is Luton. We are quite similar last season. So.
Okay, yes, and no, I have some manager, Fanasa Pep Guardiola, and some other two our brand new situation with Aquadana, Fanasa Erling Haaland, Afei, young court manager, Fanasa Mikel Arteta, and some Adianos Arsenal manager on Aquadana, Fanasa Gabriel handball, what is our bread day, GPL, extra Emma, now retired refugee came in, and some church Musa, so far as a born every box in the mono, and you're so better me across in play. And mpo ya hu se Bramunchin wa bra goalkeeper pass ball and so adiama Gabriel sanka koba se bia Hurricane and se bia player bi era penalty box no mu dia and anka bi o che na aye penalty na mum obian rush scene na obian ko box no mu dia edu ba bia we use aye common sense and no and coach Fanasa Arteta we say FIFA mara ni nyina chi no common sense and so aye adwuma.
I did notice it, especially after when it was certain reaction from them. I think the referees, I think they use the law and what the law says as well to use common sense and whether you take an advantage or not from that situation, which there isn't any advantage, and then I think that's fini. Just to clarify, I think it's worth doing it and to understand that just in case don't do it again.
I did. Okay, yes, NT, I know I am Chomu and I'll test manager Francis Mikel Arteta and some other man for Brano Peno and no I update about on something now. Yet for Enra Manchester United manager Francis Ariton Hagama Foy. Now Gentia make us a Man manager, I'm phoning in answer no Drew Babino, not just a Mercranum Meraho Kakra at the Ama Manu coach. Now Manu manager say, Yanshadi and Obia Fusebi or no Anwasa, one ana na motombo anso ankonkan na mo football na aye business ni nyina chiro wotiri ye ba se football aye industry ba ko achesa resource and ye demesha aye wo manager se bia obetena ana se bia obekọ ni mani nyina na ya de a eno nso awoso na mo se wo hwe chire pa na de eko deeper won wan kasa no do be so kan nyina na se munim anioma ekoso aye behind the scenes and do be so kan se nei aye ade se motombo any direction our person club no ko nyina no you don't bet me be a Serbia club no and some other side direction coach in Serbia nipa we be realistic our brand manager fans are data and some associate the proper player and so I council Serbia nipa what no credit and so abaya juma what did you pass na ye kase no am say one what is a minister and yes na so your politician also yeah so what no credit kasema what is a minister what about kroma na minister be catch so na me mase koduru soro Nebia the powers that be a man saying woman provide the funds and from a minister no I may be a Jumedia also minister Eddie one of some near what is a white elephant in Tiasama manager Fanasa Aya Erectana Gakano was saying the Jumedia Otinino what is a minister I just and free swama we are qua Yintiama you manager no
thing is you have to be realistic and as a manager it's like a minister, you don't have anything you have in your hands, but by the end of the day, and that is what you have to accept, you are responsible for everything, and I take that. It's huge. That is, so a lot went against us this season. See all the penalties we conceded last week. And it could have also been going in another way. And you think over the course of the season that well, sometimes you get one, sometimes you concede one, but it feels like this season we only concede. The thing is.
Yes, and I summer manager Francis Erichen Gana Tessa Yadena accepts Emma Yatil for another power branch media. Francis final up Ninano Kuswa Koso live on Sompa 93.1 FM on radio, live on TV and Afe. Make us live on Facebook Ninano Yadaso at the update and at the Manuachi. Manager Francis Tana get to us now. Yabisana say Adiana Bam Ama says and your man Shadan Kosedi. I was say a secret essence of resource. I was say Munyaninano. And your resource never was sitting in an near your kind of options and backups as a phenomenal Kasai. So Abia will be a striker Rasmus Hoyland Epra. When Annabelle alternative will be anywhere. Sabia Kokaba Sabia Kotana, your father said Ganacho Epra. Why now what didn't bum and a pop other said Ganacho Sanyo Maninano? I can't be Anama resource and to me Cosadie. I was a Siko and from a club no. Every time I gone other options and as a near your kind of Sabia I know I have backups no.
There's no doubt that we counted on him, and you need two strikers in a league where we are in, or in say in the leagues, so we play in more competitions. So there you need more options, and you need double positioning in every position. So in some position. We didn't have the choices this season. There was the striker position, the left fullback position.
Yes, not just where I am semi manager Francis Ten Hagano, and I'll test your den accepts M2-1. I am a striking position at when I backup, and what you open left back at when you backup our branding. I am a D. I am man you bobo Konia a county, and I'm a resource also and to me manning national. Many janus say or Gideon Passe, Wamon Pamon Onibe Biako Abatuaso, now Koso Aya Juman Adiama Bobo Kua, you found Manchester United and no Aya Sama. coach no enso ade tudwa na medika na betudwa na otwe mu say Chelsea abekọ market no so biem na Chelsea abepa striker wo abepa bia defender baako awo benkum so na omape midfielder baako ababeshem na Jaminya nyina say defender no yesi abranche ban say aye Osimhen Diomande awosina kan Edema Sporting Sip okay ya when your first time I make up brand asem atro ma brobro so ama watibia na Diomande dia no yesi Chelsea fana ni abre na Thomas so mo kan nyina say kire ho no especially and say ye season where Thiago Silva abeko and so Chelsea omo back no so as apart from Thiago Silva obi anu a wo betimi ado sa tro no so no aye a leader Edema team no enti omo be so mo dia akodan na ye fan say Osimhen Diomande enso adeneba enom aye kakra fi omo so ye enso adeba and wache Victor Osimhen adam be ka tro say wa fly akọ Paris and Paris Saint-Germain akọ wie ni a ye kan say personal times enwa mesa ka tro so boy no ye say Chelsea for no say omo mpeda ema boy no nko ena me no ka say no ye say from boy no camp wo mo say Barca bia sikana wo kwa agree somewhere in the region of best 13 million euros no say bia Chelsea entimi ntwa na mpo wo mo betimi aban ho kakra wo ba snobo aye Paris Saint-Germain na wo ba be sina kan ediama aye Chelsea team no ye say boy no gidie ba say one aye Premier League sansa ukọ aye French League no ma mo French League no kra no wo mo ba so mo free mu ko already on a club na dia aye personal times no wo mo agree na mo sakoba say bia Chelsea ebetimi ho bibi kakra dia and no Victor Osimhen no and so I prefer aye Premier League ni two aye French League Chelsea no aye kakra free boy na so ye and so about Chelsea manager ye fan Mauricio Pochettino say wajitum say ebia na resource no enkwasere say siko mobuafu otomase because Chelsea aye club wo bia no say de omunim aye nkunimdie wo bia de obia nim aye win and so ani ade na Jaminya nyina no so mo bisa Chelsea manager no say some last best 5 games am ababre bia no mo consider 2 goals dabia 2 and yes, a chiro wanya kurao. So musi just shot on target and a shot a bamo so na mo consider 2 no. Na sa chiro wanya manager nka samientia. Waso mo consider 2 a. Wamu so show bi enti munya ka wose first na de na han ne say Chelsea concede but no mu ntimi nhego enai say Chelsea a concede 2 goals a ade na mo mfa enso so say Chelsea so atimi sha 2 na say akoya adwuma yam say wanya the right na ka asem bi entia manager pass ya concede 2 goals a Chelsea so sha bi wo de tie coach no
in the same way that we concede we score. In the past was we didn't score, we struggled to score goals, but now we are scoring. Always it's about balance. Yes, if we want to attack and to create chances, sometimes we need to take risks. The problem now is to get the right balance in between these two phases, when we attack and then try to be stronger and more aggressive in a defensive situation. That is the normal process and the normal balance that always, when the team is not mature enough, you can suffer, these type of situations.
Okay.
I think in the same way that we concede, we score. In the past was
yes, indeed. I know a kakra free manager fan sir Mauricio Pochettino aso adeba enano pair. Ya dene update ni na dema onum so ko Germany. Ya dem say the German Football Federation edin komo say omu coach aye fan sir aye Julian Nagelsmann ebe extend the contract no. Na wa brand say tem e bra say bia manager no ye euros on to so ema federation ibiem. Na wan hwa obesa ko back to Bramon chena wa kwa start bibia foforo no. Meti say the German Football Federation targeted Liverpool manager fancy Jurgen Klopp. No mom omo ya aware say manager fancy Jurgen Klopp no de oyobia ye season we na so no every boboku a ye fancy Liverpool ekwa enya de say obeya adwuma animanimu ya na ebi obeje sabbatical leave kakra na ebi watena fie be say 1 year enti domo kan nyina no say koba say mpo the whole of aye this year coach ye fancy Jurgen Klopp etena fie a chai somewhere nyame yarma next year enom aye 2025 no 100% Kabia Federation no and the manager and average agreement set a bear ababa fa aye Germany omo national team now they start up essence enche na World Cup qualifier matches out no and some saba be kosubiem and 2026 and a World Cup abaso and some our chess US Mexico and Africa Canada I told you omo manager na the whole of this year crana wo mtiri e basa ba 2025 no obetimi asesana adwene mpo adwuma no wono some some about the Adiama team. Your fan said German national team. I know I update by Liverpool Quatana. Your fan said Luis Diaz. Almost say woman that say your clubs are woman Pesacotano. Now Atiba couldn't say woman Pesacotano extended a contract. Emma Bobokua. Your fan said no and some Liverpool and Unti Tomo Yanin Sunday woman and a boy Abaka Namia Dumna Summer and Kobasa transfer market in Libya. One more episode player. Your fan said Luis Diaz extended a contract, and some Liverpool and to come be also no one of the contract about to Aquadan and himself a bear on some never to me assigning at the Amabobokua. Your fan said Liverpool, our Branano Peno, and no I updated for Amaswaya and some at the Elba. Metis a Liverpool phone say, unless Grimaldo, a player, and some other Leverkusen, Sankabasan Kebia Zabi Alonso Bar, and Kebia San could have been a bit me. Yes, Liverpool phone say, I can be some of the Aquadana bar. Now, I'm show interest in Tisa, a quaint Dawa, and Kaomobepe, say, Omni Leverkusen, Panfanabaka, Nasan Kebian Tiasaya Juma, Nancom the Alice Grimaldo, F. Bobokua, your friend Leverkusen, also about Liverpool, our Brano, as I update about Fay, Satomo, the young co, a young manager, your friend, sir, a Zavi, and some Aswaya, Zavi on the defenders, our Bramanoka, say, one more time consider goals. Well, Brandon says, I say, Barca for and time consider, apart from now, year Barca, one more Copa Champions League, Kobe Biono, one more time consider. Now, manager fans are Zavi. Well, Brandon says, I won't consider goals, no, and no, and I'm a German coming in answer, manager and elbow the difference and answer Abaso, what body defenders Abaso, and no, and our coach and fans are Zavi, and some account has some Yenti and some Kakra, coach I fans are Zavi, and the two Jaffa defense and all.
Because we are working so well, especially in the collective things. I think we improve a lot. That's why Kubarsi is in a good moment. Robert in the best performance. Gundogan, the midfielders, Inigo, everybody with the defensive line very high. It's very important for us. Otherwise, we cannot press. Yes, we improve a lot in the collective things. I think this is the key point of the improvement for the team. Yes, because we are working so well, especially in the collective things. I think we improve a lot. That's why Kubarsi is in a good moment. Robert in the best performance. Gundogan, the midfielders, Inigo, everybody with the defensive line very high. It's very important for us. Otherwise, we cannot press. Yes, we improve a lot in the collective things. I think this is the key point of the.
Yes, and I said, yeah, what is manager fans Zavi Aden Samno, to try our Branano pay a day update in a demo. Mamen Fanto, one of Real Madrid game at Baswa, one Mayoka Alban report to me on Sunday. Medically, I told him somewhere and one in Rich manager no, Eberotetica, Krametisa, Luka Modric, Ababam, or bet me I started at the Amabokua. Your fans at Real Madrid, Adeba couldn't say, a Jubabi Emma Mebekan said, Dennis Bios, Ayobia, Yabaya clubs will be our premiership. Wamom Abasom Fat Dennis Bios, Amaneko, Wabrana, Yanimsa Bios, Ayobia, Real Madrid, and Person Bejana Mana Quaninano, Jamen second and Nano Penny say, yes, a Brina Bush for some foot away at the right time. I was Aquadana, your fans at Dennis Bios Echo. Now, when you know Tanabo Quay, fans at Madrid, Oba Pro, Bon Onya Bimo, M1 carry and fast so be and so on Dennis Bios, Abatana Madrid, not to one to now on Jeshe in Chabusha Foninano at the pressure out to Aquadano, and so I'm probably for our Brano Peno, and some update to Abba Enra, Bobo Cravanasa Sporting CP Aqua Way. Now, I'm a cocoa ball match, our Bromo Gamino, and also acquired my Sporting Bobo Kono. Now, I did about Connoisseur, our Brocobas Enra, Sporting CP Ayasida, one must acquire no more shot go Vicente, and I'm 4-0. Unim say, I Rahusam, and some are go Vicente, I'm a goalkeeper. Yes, say, I'm Babo Ebekabes a few hours, Anna, a bus. Bueno, where a message our supporter said about Ruben Amorim. Now Ruben Amorim message in here. Fisa I am Morim na chasa supporters and say I was manager este and you can so call omunim so manager no one on timing can pay Sebia woko ononsua one timing guarantees will be stay and you may of course our promoted banner of course stadium our supporters and say manager Ruben Amorim entena man in Kobe Biano banner and I was Shanamum Yanko a goalkeeper your fans Andrew Ventura wanom ene goalkeeper no ma aye go Vicente boy ni na Sharak mama baby ana otofuma na chese wo so a your pon game na supporters and as players no we aye chese boboku a your fans support omo players and e console akwadan adan a ebeka be a few hours ama game na baso and yes omo the message e man wo camp say ne maame ato ne maame afrim na chese ne maame entiase biem enti ayara ho sampa enti oyobia ankobe free camp akofie na mum yese boy ne ka champion for say ne bobo kwavan say go Vicente womum battle relegation and it's a relegation and omu dini ye dia e was so stay no oboa wo stay aboa ne nyina chi and omu sa je 4 ensum awofie omu pon game ayara ho sam and omu say ni teammate tane aya chese sporting CP man tane nyina no womu so console a player your fans Andrew Ventura ewa bro no a goalkeeper and before the game and you test any mame and some akababi ewa bra yara hosam ache sansem nyina no ye dem ye for the maintain say wo ko a PSG yes so mo fu wo kai some de batudwa ema me ka cho say wa bro come say Rafinha share go na Rafinha come keep post our Instagram no or ye name celebration ema name and some maybe the same celebration commentate and some other twice here sound celebration no ye emoji enso ewo ho say CPG for na anyo de na omjire ba sene mai ni paboni ni papa wo oba ha no won hira ma bi papa bi amatu ne nei say basa ba be hye no mo kwa chesem una wosuso jagum am yes CPG for no ma course no anyo de na jamense kan se nyame ya doma return leg no aye next midweek el baso Barcelona ewo fie ewo mo week elbo adiacha Paris Saint-Germain yes PSG ultras ne say Sebas at the little over 2,000 and about Park de Prince woman some at the little over 3,000 and about quite way now womunya omo betena stadium a womo trase kekeo womo ba bibi say na abehu ebe soja e was stance ni mo dede ne ntwene bo ene sanyo mani nyina no enso abakoso ntuyi enso aye said the New City our brother men say kan say Paris Saint-Germain ultras no yes ni little over 3,000 and nyame yar ma game against Barca e wa way womo so kwa support omo team no wa bra no enso aye update e ba sansem nyina no ye de am ye tef enano pay enso awo show no so name and sensem no say you say answer time and name of PSG obeka say bia name and Mbappe omuntam engwa na club na babonten no mababe deny and anya no kra and boys no and omoka and fine kosi hini ade afei and revelations aba out of enwia adebe enwa na dwunyina na chesensem no ensom ababaye mo na jintia make sensem ababaye mo no say yes we break say Paris Saint-Germain at 222 million euros akotrega name ne ba class adene buy no wo bo be say 2 seasons akoba say season miensa na chese yes Mbappe e wo chese obuo kase e de name na Mbappe our respect kase enso de name na ma dru ba bi no na akoba say as a ball no kra no emfa unia ho as a Brazilia wa bobo na Champions League pan enti won fa no de besie wa bobo na asanya sika ono anka so on helicopter one on a private jet and yadinti no aso fashion who be and a Barca Kodana your friend say Mbappe started say will lose respect and some Ajama Ora your friend say your name initially now Mbappe e will book as your pa and some other man name any deso on work with when you play be an so at say name and the Baba judgment tema and we say yeah answer Mbappe so one also down for Pan Ashraf Hakimi yes you my training grounds Mbappe no just let me say Hakimi and Messi enya kasa akra ana ne makwaje ntokwa so say hey wo even no bobola dra wo Messi kasa chasa wo ba be kunko ase yen kamasam yamomo chem so ma kan bi ana cha oba so chasa yes aye Sergio Ramos ana bemu wo potenema ba bia kwa no wontie esas odimpa be ho ahyi ana kokko santokwa ne ma Messi a woni abranch evan sa Hakimi enso enya yes player ba kwa ne ma emfa ne nya hwehwehwe aye Vitinha no se so kobusana obeka cho senya no kra esanse yese bane na ompene ho asem Vitinha yobia ompe kasa enti ompe so obekwa akosoja gum an ana ombume wodi matam rough na nti ebia kwa create tension between ono ensom ani name esanse Vitinha empene ho asem nti no ubusana obeka cho se dabi na enwa chidia mense kan nyina no se wabra kokoba se Messi ana se name amu se enei wamo Mbappe ana cho so kita key yaka so be kita key na cho se Mbappe ana call shot ensom our dressing room me na say me bo penalty me na say me bo ebia free kick me na say me yewe ni nyina no na I start ha Mbappe and Messi e can be and ma jodum eba ma omum ye ni nyina no ensom ade kwai wa banana pay no I know I update free omaso ye ade eba ho nsam ni nyina no ye de am ye chef man bibia na fe ye from na ye metro so Lap On Sompa 93.1
working so well, especially in the collective things. I think we improve a lot. That's why Kubarsi is in a good moment. Robert in the best performance. Gundogan, the midfielders, Inigo, everybody with the defensive line very high. It's very important for us. Otherwise, we cannot press. Yes, we improve a lot in the collective things. I think this is the key point of the improvement for the team. Yes, because we are working so well, especially in the collective things. I think we improve a lot. That's why Kubarsi is in a good moment. Robert in the best performance. Gundogan, the midfielders, Inigo, everybody with the defensive line very high. It's very important for us. Otherwise, we cannot press. Yes, we improve a lot in the collective things. I think this is the key point of the improvement for the team.
Eno aye said the manager fan says Zabide in Semino to Jamazabi be I find it.
Any experience fancy the
okay, then Massipa.
D heavy. We can do an essay. It's the amount for see. Pampe, I want to me and function during the midweek in the weekend and they also to do a bit too for my Henry.
Memezam say MC I'll say MC to Kona Merhadi.
What you mean Kakama?
How do you use the other microphone here? Nam so can you not feel yam brasso?
Figure them clear.
I may show.
At the home.
There is no doubt that we counted on him, and you need two strikers in the league where we are in, or in say in the leagues, so we. In every position, so and in some position. We didn't have the choices this season. There was the striker position, there's the left fullback position, and that has a negative impact on the results. There is no doubt that we counted on him, and you need two strikers in the league where we are in, or in say in the leagues, so we play on. Positioning in every position, so and in some position we didn't have the choices this season. There was the striker position, there's the left fullback. So the thing is, you have to be realistic, and as a manager, it's like you need two strikers in the league. Anything you have in by the end of say in the leagues, so we play on in more competitions, so there you need more options, and you need double positioning in every every position. So, and in some position, and it is good position. That was the striker position, that's the left fullback position, and that has a negative impact on the results. But it is no doubt that we counted on him, and you need two strikers in the league where we are in, or in. In every position. So, and in some position, we didn't have the choices this season. That was the striker position, that's the left fullback position, and that has a negative impact on the results. But it is no doubt that we counted on him, and we need two strikers in the league where we are in, or in. Say in the leagues, so we play in more competitions. You need more options. You need double positioning in every position. So, and in some position, we didn't have the choices this season. That was the striker position, that's the left fullback position, and that has a negative impact on the results. But it is no doubt that we counted on him, and you need two strikers in the league where we are in, or in say in the leagues, so we play in more competitions. So you need more options. You need double positioning in every position. So, and in some position. We didn't have the choices this season. That was the striker position, that's the left fullback position, and that has a negative impact on the results. But it is no doubt that we counted on him, and you need two strikers in the league where we are in, or in say in the leagues, so we play in more competitions. So you need more options. You need double positioning in every position. So, and in some position, we didn't have the choices this season. That was the position, that's the left fullback position, and that has a negative impact on the results. But it is no doubt that